Let's talk about the weather. Steamy outside these last few days.
Yes.
Does the work week hold more of the same?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And in fact, today in the city, especially, it didn't feel nearly as humid as it had yesterday, but we're right back into it. It's going to be heavy humidity for the next several days. Real tropical feel out there. It was 93 degrees today, 8 degrees above average. But again, with low humidity today, it actually felt like 93. No difference between heat and heat index today, but that will change moving forward. Today marks day 9 in 2024 at 90 degrees plus, and yes, our second official heat wave of 2024. We expect it to wrap as a 5-day heat wave. Here's your 3-day forecast. It's 91 degrees tomorrow under mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and about a 10% chance of a shower or storm. Tuesday, we're at 90, and there's a better chance for storms and about a 30% chance. By Wednesday, we're falling below the 90-degree mark. We're ending our heat wave, but it still feels oppressive, and we're going to be dealing with more shower and storm activity. Thursday will be very similar. So what is it going to feel like out there? Very big difference over the next few days between what your thermometer reads and what it feels like. Tomorrow, it will feel like 94, maybe 95 in the city. Triple digits for portions of inland New Jersey. Notice our shorelines are much more comfortable. As we make our way into Tuesday, story doesn't change much, with the exception of maybe it feels even a little bit hotter in the city and points inland, maybe as hot as 101 in New Brunswick. Then we roll into Wednesday, and it's still feeling equally steamy, despite actual high temperatures for many of us falling below the 90-degree mark. Next few days, incredibly oppressive. There is a heat advisory in effect for now through Tuesday. If you're going to seek relief at the beach, it will be significant relief. Take a look at the numbers along the shoreline for your day tomorrow. Right around that 80-degree mark for our south-facing and our east-facing beaches. There's a low risk of rip currents. This is outstanding news. UV index is a 9. That's a burn time of 10 to 15 minutes. Wave heights at 2 to 3 feet. And the ocean temperature is nearly 70+ degrees across the board. Sad part about tomorrow, in addition to the heat and humidity, that also lends itself to poor air quality. There is an air quality alert in effect tomorrow. It will be an AQI, air quality index of 105, and that is unhealthy for sensitive groups. Let's get one more look at Beryl here, churning off the coast of Texas. Tornado already reported as a result. Some wind damage as well from the outer bands. Now, as this storm moves inland, the biggest threat will be inland flooding. It is expected to strengthen a bit more. Tropical storm status now, maybe a Cat 1 by landfall through the wee hours of the morning. Hurricane warnings are in effect. And again, it is flooding we're most concerned with inland. We could see some flash flooding, maybe 8 inches plus out there for portions of Texas, possibly as much as a foot. As we look at your extended forecast, 91 feels even hotter, like 95 to 104 tomorrow. Tuesday, similar story. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. While temperatures are in the 80s, it will feel like 90 plus with high humidity and an enhanced risk for storms as well. In fact, Thursday, we could see some moisture locally because of what's left of Beryl. Jessica, back to you.
All right. Thanks for the update, Vanessa.